Today, we're talking about supplements. The labels can look so scientific, so official, but what are they really telling you? Let's pull back the curtain and spot 7 common tricks some brands use, and we're going to do it fast. First, just a quick heads up, this is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. All right, let's dive in. Trick number 1, the tiny serving size. You might look at a label and see it provides 100 milligrams of an ingredient per serving. Sounds straightforward. But then you read the fine print under suggested use, and it says to take 3 capsules a day. That 1 capsule serving size is designed to make the numbers look smaller and less intimidating. The quick check here is simple but crucial. Always multiply the amount per serving by the number of servings you actually take per day. That 100 milligram dose is actually 300 milligrams. It's a small bit of math that reveals the true dose you're getting. Next up, trick number 2, the proprietary blend. You'll see this a lot, a list of 5, maybe 10 ingredients all grouped together under a fancy name like Energy Matrix or Focus Formula, with 1 single milligram amount for the entire blend. This hides the exact dose of each individual ingredient. A brand might claim it's protecting their secret formula, but more often than not, it allows them to bulk up the blend with cheaper ingredients and include only a tiny, ineffective amount of the expensive, active ones. So here's your check. Whenever possible, choose products that list the exact milligram amount for every single active ingredient. Transparency is a sign of quality. Now for trick number 3, the empty, clinically proven claim. That phrase sounds powerful, doesn't it? But if the brand doesn't tell you which clinical study, it's just marketing fluff. It's a hollow promise. Your quick check is to look for specifics. A trustworthy brand will reference the study, maybe even provide a link on their website. They should be proud to show you the research. And that leads directly into trick number 4, which is a sneaky one. The product dose doesn't match the study dose. Let's say a brand does reference a real study that showed a benefit from taking 500 milligrams of an herb, but when you check their label, their product only contains 50 milligrams per serving. They're borrowing the credibility of the science without delivering the dose that actually produced the results. It's a huge dose gap, and it means you're unlikely to get the promised benefit. Let's move on to trick number 5, clever wording. Pay close attention to the word supports. By law, supplements can't claim to treat, cure, or prevent a disease, so instead they use softer language like supports immune health or promotes calmness. This is fine, but it's easy for our minds to hear supports and think treats. Remember, these are supplements, not pharmaceuticals. The words matter, so manage your expectations. On to trick number 6, the mega percent daily value. You see a bottle of vitamin C with 1000% daily value blasted on the front. It makes you feel like more is better, right? But for many nutrients, especially fat-soluble vitamins like D or A, your body can't just get rid of the excess. Extremely high doses can build up and become toxic. The quick check is to remember that higher isn't always better, and it certainly isn't always safer. Balance is the goal. And finally, trick number 7, ignoring the other ingredients. We're often so focused on the active ingredients that we skip right over this little section at the bottom of the label. This is where you'll find the fillers, binders, artificial colors, sweeteners, and potential allergens. This list can include things like titanium dioxide for color, sucralose for sweetness, or magnesium stearate as a flow agent. So your final quick check is to always scan this list. Look for things you don't recognize or don't want in your body. Sometimes the simplest formulas with the fewest other ingredients are the best choice. So let's do a final run through. Your 4-point checklist for any supplement label should be: check the true serving size, check for specific ingredient doses, not proprietary blends, check that any claims are backed by real relevant proof, and always check the other ingredients list. In the end, if a supplement promises a miracle in a bottle, it's time to pause and be skeptical. Real health is built on consistent daily habits, not magic pills. If you found this helpful and want more deep dives like this, comment label wherever you're listening. Thanks for tuning in.